Welcome everyone to the Freedom Marine live virtual showing. Today we're going to be featuring 2020 year model Axopar 37 with wet bar. As you can see or hear, I've got the twin Mercury Verado 350 V6 engines running. So you can hopefully you can hear how quiet these engines are. These are the white versions, which is an upgrade from the black, which are standard. So I'm just going to take you through the boat and we'll be happy to answer any questions at the end of the live video. And yeah, so I'm just going to reverse the camera and we'll get a good walkthrough of this boat. It is listed at $369,000 and available here in our sales dock in Cole Harbour Marina. So here's just a stern shot with the twin 350 white Verados. You've got S-Tech decking on the swim platform, retractable telescoping swim ladder on the port side. This is the Brabus model. So it's got the black railings, black cleats with the Brabus badging on the upholstered seats, diamond stitch. And as you can see, this is a kind of a unique situation. The owner is American. He got stuck down there with the border closure during COVID. So he's actually never seen this boat in person, nor has he used it, obviously. And it's only got 4 or 5 hours on the engines, which would have been just our service guys sea trialing and testing everything when it arrived via ship. This boat was delivered last April. And it's the 2020 model, so it's not the XC, which was introduced, I think, halfway through 2020. And as you can see, it's a very well-optioned boat with Garmin HD radar, remote spotlights, and fully retractable sunroof. This is the wet bar version in the cockpit. So I'll just show you what that looks like. Just press this button. I'm going to put my phone down for a sec. And that lid lifts up. So you've got a nice cutting surface here. Quite a deep stainless steel sink and faucet. And then you've got a cutting board here and temperature controlled refrigerated compartment. I'll have to get my detail on this boat to clean some of the internal cupboards. And then you've got lots of storage down here below. Large hatch storage, which runs back the full length of the cockpit all the way back to the cabin. And as you can see, you've got 2 large locking doors. So you can stow valuables in there and lock them up. And this came with the flip down seating in the stern. And then you've got lots of storage lockers in the cockpit here. As you can see, I've got the canvas from the top of the sunroof stowed away in there. Every hatch is ventilated. And you've got some nice gas strut assist. So everything is light touch on this boat. You've got a transom shower wash down here, rod holders, stereo speakers. Has a Fusion stereo system, Garmin electronics. And these hatches are on other models are available with refrigerated storage. And you've got tie downs located here for bimini tops to get out of for sunshade. And we'll just continue our way through the boat. This actually unlatches on the side here. I won't demonstrate, but it unlatches on either side. That flips up for better headroom if you're back here preparing meals for the gang. And as you can see, got a beautiful day today down in Cole Harbour. So we've got beautiful 360 visibility in the cabins. And as you can see, I've got the sunroof fully retracted, which is electric, and some nice accent lighting. This boat is equipped with blue LED deck lights. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but they run the length of the side decks and into the foredeck. And then large, nice wide side decks for easy maneuverability around the boat. And you've got nice wide side opening doors, which lock into place. And easy accessing down and out of the cabin. And those are this boat shows like new because it is new. The owner never used it, unfortunately, and with the border closures expected to be in effect for quite some time yet. So up front here, we've got twin 12-inch Garmin monitors. Some people like to have their engine instrumentation on one screen and your chart plotter on the other. Binnacle controls, fly-by-wire. This has the active trim feature. So the boat will actually automatically trim itself, and it's with that comes an anti-theft system. So if someone tries to break into your boat, they're not going to get very far. Using stereo, smart craft. This has a bow thruster, side power bow thruster, located conveniently. Your stainless switches. Again, with the Brabus package, you do get the ultra leather or suede leather steering wheel with the Brabus badge. Very attractive. And as you can see, excellent visibility forward. These are a very flat riding boat. So there's really very little bow up as you're powering up. And so it makes it easy to run it. And forward aft. Very attractive teak table leaves open and rotates, so you can get it in whatever position you'd like. Perfect for playing a deck of cards or entertaining or just having a drink and hanging out on the boat. You can see your battery mains are conveniently located under the port side aft seating. And we've got lots of storage in behind there. That flips open, so it acts as a nice foot bolster. And this is a height adjustable settee table. Hand holders, if it's bumpy out. These boats are Class B offshore rated for 45 knots of wind and up to 13 feet swell. So they're born and bred from the northern oceans, built tough to very high exacting standards. As we enter into the forward cabin, you've got a courtesy private curtain that drops down. We've got Dometic blinds, opening and closing hatches for great ventilation. And as you can see, this boat was ordered with the bow cushions, which are stored inside the boat here. And the head is located under this seat. So you just flip up that, it snaps in the upright position. And you've got the companion door slides shut for privacy. And the lid closes and is lockable. So nice stainless steel tread there. And there's your lighting controls, your fusion stereo controls, and nice little Webasto heater, which cycle automatically. You don't have to remember to turn it off. You can just turn off the power and it will cycle automatically. And as you can see, we've got some storage on either side of the V-berth and speakers throughout the cabin. And then we've got some storage, or stainless steel sink for brushing your teeth or getting a drink. And lots of storage down below under the sink. This came with he ordered the walnut flooring, which is beautiful, but we also have the snap-in carpeting. And as you can see, everything looks like new because it is. Dometic stainless steel fridge under the passenger seat here. And these seats rotate. So the backrests are positioned starboard or port. The bolsters flip down, and you can actually create a sleeping berth inside the cabin. So you can get 2 to 3, depending on ages. If you've got a couple kids, you can sleep both of them in the cabin while you're in the berth. So just stepping outside the cabin now, heading out to the foredeck. Again, very easy to walk around this boat. Got ventilation on either side for the cabin. You've got a beautiful, nice sunroof feature here. And as you can see, you've got a lounge seating in the foredeck here with canvas cover, water. Again, tie downs for Axopar sells as an option. This customer didn't order it, but you've got tie downs for a Bimini sunshade. Maxwell windlass, which is also remote to the helm. That unit there. And there's your diesel fill for the diesel Webasto heater. And your waste fill is back on the foredeck or the side deck there. Stainless steel anchor, standard from the factory. And nice large bow hatch. And as you can see, never been used. Combination chain, nylon rode. Nice Maxwell windlass. And lots of storage up here. Again, gas strut assisted. And we've also got this hatch located here. And as you can see, all the lines that came with the boat are still in their packaging. And again, you've got excellent storage up here. And your 30 amp shore power cord inlet located in this right here. And those are the tie downs for the bow cushions, which were in the foredeck or in the V berth as previously shown. So there's a good sort of overview. You can see how massive that retractable sunroof is. And you can be running at full speed with that fully retracted and carry on a normal conversation without raising your voices inside the cabin. Nav lights on either side of the hardtop. Targa arch. Again, all in the Brabus black, which is very robust. And we supplied long enough in the line so that, as you can see, we've spring tied the boat to stop it from moving fore and aft and secure it in one position. There's that 60-degree wave piercing sailboat, race sailboat inspired bow. Very aggressive engineering below the waterline. As you can see, we've done the license decals on either side of the bow. Your Webasto exhaust. And as you could probably notice, engines are still running and extremely quiet. And that is a walkthrough of our 2020 Axopar 37 with a cabin model with wet bar, available on sale now in Cole Harbour Marina for 369,000 Canadian. My name is JamesNeil. It's been a pleasure taking you through this virtual walkthrough of the boat. And if you have any questions, you can reach me at 604-306-1215. Be happy to answer any questions you may have and get you on for a real-time or in-person showing.